Hi, I want to give you a quick little preview of the course that is coming out on Friday, and one that we should be rolling out next week because it's going to align with helping our platform customers understand how we're going to do this engineered growth plan with a revenue growth guarantee, meaning a money back guarantee if they do not grow their revenue from $3 to $8 million in 12 months, guaranteed. So the first thing that we need is an open standard data model. This is the course that I'm doing on Friday, talking about establishing a consistent data model for roofers. Because the biggest thing is you're going to go to RoofCon, you're going to a roofing process conference, you're going to talk to other roofers on the Facebook groups, and they're going to say, how many leads do you get? What is a lead? There's a marketing qualified lead, a sales qualified lead, a sales accepted lead. Like there's different things to define a lead. Is lead an appointment? Is lead contact information? There's no accepted standard in the roofing industry right now today that is widely accepted across all the CRMs and all the businesses. So we're going to create this standardized model for the roofing industry, and that is going to look a little bit like this, where we talk about the standard model, the data model, and then the standard metrics that you're going to have so that you can then start to actually have real intelligent conversations with people about your data model and how you are measuring its effectiveness. Because right now, the best people have is a funnel, which is just lead, appointment, sold, job, money. And the systems that people use and the processes that they have make it look more and feel more like this. But then we're going to talk about, since we have an open data model that we can then create comparisons to and we can start to measure, then we can help people in a group atmosphere who are operating in the same go-to-market motion of residential retail roofing in the $3 to $8 million income range, who have the same problems that need to be solved. And then we can work on an engineered revenue growth plan, which is going to look a little bit something like this, where we take our revenue from our current state for the 0 to 3 month plan, then the 4 to 7 month plan, and then the 8 to 12 month plan. Now, this plan is designed to so far overshoot the goal that even if we don't get it perfectly right, it's still going to work. Because again, growing from 3 to 8 million, once you've been working with 34 $100 million companies, this is easy to do. You need to be reminded more than you need to be taught. It's just the things that you do not know that you do not know. That's why one of our customers came in and created a $16 million business in their 15th month of being open. So that means at the month 15, 12 months prior, they brought in $16 or $15 million in revenue. How do they do that? Because the guy who owns the company built a company and sold it for $80 million prior to this. He knows what you do not know. He's in rooms that you're not in. He has access to skills and experiences that you do not have. And this whole thing is that I can no longer travel. I can no longer go around the country whale hunting and building big fat CRMs for big fat companies. And I love those customers and we're still serving those customers, but I cannot do it at the rate that I was doing it, where I was in a different roofing company every month. Can't do it and can't find anybody to replace me, because that's a big shoe to fill, and that's founder-led growth. That's when the founder leads the growth, and that, in many ways, is where you are as a roofing business owner. And so this has been a quick little preview of the course that's coming up on Friday about creating an open standard for a roofing data model that will move across CRMs, that will move across businesses, will move across markets, and then showing how we will create an engineered revenue growth model that is simple and duplicatable, as long as we know exactly who the customer is, who their customer avatar is, and what their go-to-market motions will be. Can't wait to see you on Friday.